In order to safely transport your laptop from place to place, you need a protective vessel that not only works hard to keep your tech safe but is also comfortable to carry around with you. Backpacks are the preferred bag type of students, commuters, and frequent flyers. Finding one that will fit your laptop as well as your day-to-day belongings will make travel just a little bit easier. Product link in the description below. Swiss Gear Travel Gear 1900 ScanSmart TSA Laptop Backpack. Weight, 3.2 pounds. Overall dimensions, 9 by 18.5 by 13.5 inches. Made from superior quality, durable, and weather-resistant 1200D ballistic polyester, the ScanSmart from Swiss Gear offers lay-flat technology to protect up to 17-inch laptops when traveling. For your convenience, the easy open compartments are designed to ensure hassle-free, laptop-in-bag TSA scans. The main laptop compartment is easy to access and is separated from the additional iPad or tablet pocket. Both are fully padded and lined with scratch-free, soft material to help avoid damage during transit. An additional large U-zip pocket on the front is perfect for keeping all of your pens, notebooks, wallet, and keys safe and within easy reach. The contoured shoulder straps are easily adjustable and the mesh panel with airflow ventilation prevents sweating. Packed full of useful features, this backpack not only performs well but also looks professional. If you're looking for a quality backpack to carry your laptop from one place to another, this is a great option for frequent flyers who want to keep their tech safe and secure wherever they may be. Thanks for watching.